Alright, I received another question saying that what happens when Guru and Shukra are in the same house in the horoscope. So basically, Guru and Shukra are basically enemies to each other. They're not friends. So Jupiter doesn't like Venus and Venus doesn't like Jupiter. So in this case, what happens is there will be a mutual friction among the Jupiter and Venus. If at all you happen to be a Aries ascendant or Scorpio ascendant, or if at all you happen to be Gemini ascendant or be a Virgo ascendant, okay, there will be a friction between the Jupiter and Venus. Most importantly, Jupiter becomes your Yoga Karaka planet for Aries and Scorpio, whereas Venus becomes a Yoga Karaka planet for Librans as well as Virgos and Geminis. Okay, so there will be some kind of mutual quarrels or misunderstandings between the husband and wife. If at all Jupiter is debilitated, if at all you have Jupiter exalted or Jupiter or Venus exalted, then there will be pure understanding between the partners, and also there will be love and understanding between the husband and wife. Most importantly, they share knowledge with each other, because Jupiter represents knowledge, and also wife will be very honest in terms of, and she is very straightforward in terms of speaking to the husband. She will never shy to provide any kind of support or any kind of judgment in terms of giving the based on the situational basis. Okay, and also depends upon which planet is stronger, which planet is weaker, which lagna you belongs to. All those things is necessary. We cannot just justify just about the conjunction Jupiter and Venus. Okay, and also if at all fifth lord has let's say if it is staying in the fifth house and fifth lord happen to be sitting in the very good position, your children also will be progressing well, and you can able to witness the progress of your children, and you can able to provide the rewards and recognitions for your children as well. You can able to witness that they are taking so many rewards and recognitions, because Jupiter gives that kind of blessing. Okay, and especially first house, second house, fourth house, fifth house, ninth house, 10th and 11th houses, it brings a lot of wealth and also support from the spouse. And if at all it happens in the other houses, there will be troubles and also like a lot of diseases and sufferings as well. Okay, so Hollywood actress Julia Roberts have Jupiter plus Venus conjunction in the second house of her horoscope. Okay, so we all know that Julia Roberts is known for her good looks, and she has been married twice and has 3 children. She has publicly had a great number of high profile lovers during the times when she was not in the marriage, and she has enormous wealth, worldwide fame, and enduring professional success. This is just an example I want to tell you. And also most importantly, Venus is the Karaka for material conveyance, spouse, landed properties, and Jupiter signifies wealth, morals, learned knowledge, memory power, intellect, and all that. So when these two auspicious planets combine with each other and there is no any affliction, that is from Rahu's Ketu and Saturn, then these people will be having, as I mentioned to you earlier, they have great understanding, mutual respect, and deep attachment between the husband and wife, because Venus represents wife and Jupiter represents husband. Okay, so this conjunction also provides a great children. Also, children also comes from a very noble values. They respect their parents like anything. And also, if at all this Venus and Jupiter conjunction happen to be in the 10th house, then you will be seeing the professional success like anything, and you will be getting rewards and recognitions for your efforts. You will be making good amount of money as well. And this is the very good Yoga Karaka planet as well. If Jupiter is sitting in a very good sign for the Sagittarius ascendants and for Pisces ascendants, then definitely you will see the enormous professional success in your life. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and also do let me know in the comment section what exactly you loved from this video. And also I want to let you know that I'm doing the astrology consultations, and also there is a discounts going on. Please check in the description and please book for the consultation, so that once I get an order I can able to help you with the analysis pertaining to your birth chart. Okay, thank you. And if at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe right away, and click on that bell icon next to subscribe button, so that you will be notified for the future videos. Okay, thank you.